Come back to another video. Thank you all for subscribing to my channel, and for the old subscribers, thank you for coming along with me on this journey. So guys, today I'm going to be doing ice cream with my Coovin juicer, but first I'm going to add some orange juice that I squeeze into the silicone ice tray, and I am going to put it in the freezer and then do a little blending with some pomegranate over here. And I'm going to be doing a pomegranate banana ice cream, also a orange banana ice cream. So guys, I've blended another tray with orange and banana, so I'm gonna freeze this, and then as soon as it is frozen, I will come back and I'll do my ice cream. Guys, what I've done, I've put banana into this juice, the orange juice. I'm gonna blend them together. I'm adding a little vanilla to it. No milk in this ice cream, guys. And I've freshly squeezed some orange. This is an orange that left off, and I've peeled some banana here. And the best time to use the banana is when it have this black spot. It is good for patients with cancer. So I'm making this natural ice cream for those who cannot take milk. I'm just showing you another way. So I'm gonna pour and I'm gonna blend. So I'm gonna pop this in the fridge, guys. That one over the right hand side went in first, so we'll give it a hour, because I'm gonna have to take them back out and get them half soft in between to use them. So guys, I'm not using a cutting board today. I'm just gonna cut it and then put it on the rest of this orange juice, and I'm gonna blend some more and freeze this also. Look how creamy that looks. So when I put this through my Coovin juicer, I'll get a very nice ice cream without milk. So guys, this is only orange juice, banana and vanilla. Look how this looks so creamy. I know I'm gonna enjoy this ice cream. This is a new ice cream invented by Michibu. So guys, I'm gonna peel this ripe banana and I'm gonna put it in the freezer until tomorrow morning. Then I'm gonna add this to the ones that I have with the orange, that blend with the orange, banana and orange. So I'll put this through my Coovin before I start adding the rest. Guys, this is how I'm gonna freeze it. I might just do 2 of them. Guys, now I have my orange and my banana. It's frozen, so I have some in this little container, so I'm gonna get rolling, guys. So guys, I'm gonna pull off the top of the juicer, and I'm going to take out the strainer for the juice, which is this. And I am going to pop this one in. So this is what I'm going to use to make my banana ice cream. So guys, I am going to start by putting in frozen bananas. So I'm gonna just start it. So I'm gonna put some of the orange and the banana, which I blend together. No milk is added, guys. So guys, I'm gonna just flip this switch. So nice and creamy that look, guys. So I'm gonna stop it, and I'm gonna put 2 more pieces of banana down the chute. Look how yummy that looks. So guys, this is it. One more scoop. And I tell you guys, it's so nice. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, share with a friend. See you in our next video. Bye for now.